Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to calculate area in Autocad. We will learn all the methods today. So let's start. At first we apply the manual methods. That's why we search tools bar. Here tools, then inquiry to area. For this we have select all the corner. So first corner, 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 corner and infinite. Then enter. Say show the area in text bar. The area is 2517730.9 square inch and 17484.243 square feet. Now we will learn to find the area by commands. We know the commands of area is double A enter. So quickly we search A enter and select the corner, 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 and the infant and enter. Looks like the figure 25147 square inch 17484.243 square feet. But it is not always possible to work with corner, as if considering this ellipse, say ellipse, ellipse. It is not possible to catch the corner. So we have to find the area as object. The shortcut of object is O enter. I mean object O enter. So we press the area command AA, then select object. But we press the object command O without select object. I mean we press AA enter and select object. But we press object command O without select the object, then enter and select object C. C looks the area like before. There is very little time to finish a project in the workplace, but a lot of time is wasted in this method. So we need to know how determine the area in list. Now we will learn a new practical rules for determining area in list time. It's list LIST. The shortcut of list is LI. LI enter. LI means list. I mean list. List is effective method for determining area in less time. So we click LI enter. Then select object. Only select object. Nothing more needs to be done and enter. Say look here area is looks like before 17484.243 square feet and 2517730.9 square inch. Now we will find out the area of some different shape like this triangle. So Li, enter, and select the object, enter. This is area, this is area. Then it's a polygon. Click Li, enter, select object, enter. Area is 215.4.335 square feet. Then ellipse. So Li, enter, select object and enter. The area is 5031.2 square feet. Then it has no specific size and shape. So Li, list, enter, select object and enter. The area is 11482.592 square feet. It's like before. Li, enter, select object and object. 421.946 square feet. With this rule, the list rule, the area of all the condition of the world can be found. This is today's video. Please let us know in the comments how it feels, and like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.